What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm obviously back down there in my garage because I'm never anywhere else. Today I'm going to actually get a bit done on the Mini. Hopefully I'm going to get some body work done. I might try and get the whole car sanded down and try and fit the arches maybe. I bought a new toy today, a riv nut gun. It puts a threaded riv nut into the bodywork so you can screw a bolt into it instead of drilling holes and putting a rivet into it where you can't release it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it out of the bag and I'm going to do an unboxing. Now guys, what we have here is the laser. It's the same as a rivet gun, but it has a different head on it and a little screw piece on the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this now and I'll go through everything. If you've never seen one before, I'll explain how it works. Now guys, this is a handy bit of kit to have for anything really, for bolting cables to chassis rails, to leads and cables, put a clamp on them and then bolt them to bodywork. So what I'll do is I'll show you how it works, okay? It's exactly like a rivet gun, as you can see. Okay, so what you do is, these are the riv nuts. I'll open one, I'll show you, okay? This is an M6 riv nut. Okay, so if you look in there, you'll see the threads. See it there? So what you do is, you just stick it on and you thread it on this way. Okay, thread it on just until the threads get to the top, just like that. And say you drill a hole, you put this in the hole and you do exactly like that, the motion with a rivet gun. You do this. Obviously I'm not going to do it, I'm not going to waste the riv nut, but you put that in the hole and it compresses. And then when you're finished, right here, you just unscrew this. So if I hold this and I unscrew, this comes off. Just like so. See? So it's pretty handy. Definitely handy. It's going to be great for putting my arches on because I don't want to screw into the bodywork again. I'm going to fill them holes and then I'm going to drill out the holes. And each arch, I'm going to show you the arches now. I'm going to bring them over onto the bonnet and show you the arches. And I'll put one on the car and I'll show you how much better they fit. Right guys, here's the arch. I'm not sure what they are. I think my brother was saying they're group 4. They have like a lip on it here where a bead goes on it. So they have a few mounting points. So there's one here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 altogether. So I'll be using 6 of these on the arches. So this is going to get cut. That's a bit messy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this better around, more around, just underneath the holes, all the way around to say about here. And then I'm going to bend this up so it doesn't catch the wheel. And then there's going to be, these holes are all going to be filled with weld because there's no filler in there. As you can see, it's all just metal. So I might do that today, I'm not sure. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab an arch and I'm going to put the arch on the car and see what you think, see what they look like, because I'm 100% convinced these are going on the car. Definitely, because they fit much better, they look better, and the width is perfect. So guys, chill for a second, I'll get this on the car. Right guys, that's one on there. I'm liking the way it sits. It sits really good with the wheel, with the ride height. I do want to leave it at that height. There's no point in having it too low because, as you can see, the manifold is really low on it. So it does have a skid plate on it, and I don't want it to bounce off everything, and I don't want to ruin my front lip. So here's the angle from the top. it just fits perfect with the car. So yeah, they're the arches I'm going to go with the car. They fit nice. They're going to fit on like that. So I'm happy with that result for finding them in one of the units down the back of the garage there. Down the back there. Sitting in there, they were for months. So yeah, I'll stick the back one on and I'll show you what way the back one sits now. Now guys, number 2 on the rear. I really like the shape, and it does, you do still have to cut a slot for right here, right there, for it to mould in, but it goes in with the groove of the back valance. So, and the width as well, it's pretty decent, really good fit. And then I'm going to get the trim. It's like a leather trim that goes all the way from the front or the back all the way down the front, and then it continues on with this bit all the way up the front, then onto that arch here. Yeah, it just looks so good. I really do like that clean look, clean but aggressive. So yeah, it's not too bad, is it? Yeah. Also, do we keep the wing mirrors or do we scrap them? I think I'm going to keep them. Maybe spray them black. Very unsure on that, but sure, we'll see what way the outcome is. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack on with the bodywork. My brother decided to do X's on my bodywork because he says I didn't do enough filler. So there's an X there. XX. He said that one will pass and that one passes, so it's kind of a success. So I'm going to crack on with getting some of this bodywork done. I might just get the front wings done, the scuttle panel there, maybe the front end. I might just try and get the front end buttoned up tonight, get it ready for primer, and then during the week, because I'm off for a few days with this virus thing going off, so I'm on call. They might call me to work, they might not. So tomorrow I'll be here as well, so hopefully I'll get the whole car prepped. So enjoy the time lapse. Taking a break from that sander for a minute. It's vibrate your hands and my hands are numb. But what I got done was I got this wing done down with, it is 400 grit sandpaper. I've done the bonnet with the 80 grit just to get it down because there's a lot of paint on it. I will be using a blue cleaner to get all the paint off. I got the scuttle done with the 400, and then I got this wing done with the 400. Front panel was done with the Schultz. Just it's like that from factory. It's done from this point all the way across to the same point on the other side, all the way down, and then it's painted over. It's done that way. I don't know why they do it that way, but I just wanted to do it that way as well, and it looks well because it gets covered by the bumper and the front lip, so it doesn't really bother me. But I'm gonna get that down with 80 grit. Then I'm going to 400 grit it, and then I'm going to 600 grit it to get ready for, because I'm going to prime the front end of the car just so it's perfect. So I'm just going to take a break from sanding the car for a few minutes, and I'm going to jump over onto my brother's EG6 and show you the inside floors on it, how clean the inside of the car is. Here's the engine bay, how clean it turned out. It's really good. It's like 98%, 99% ready for primer. Just a quick little scuff and a clean, and it'll be primed during the week. Love these wings. made them himself. Pretty decent, pretty perfect as well. There's a lot of work gone into them, and he's gonna get it right as well. So original floors, very clean, not one dent. He took all the old sound deadening off it. Like, the floor's mint, not one speck of rust. Even all the holes for the screws are still, the threads are still clean. Even that side, very clean. And then the back end is just all stripped out because he's going to be priming the inside of the car, the whole inside of the car, all up here. Because he's doing a full respray inside and out, so it's getting done proper jobby. So he finished up the rear arches yesterday, so they are straight, not a dent, not a blemish. He done the other side also. It's pretty clean, I have to say. The car is going to be immaculate when it's finished. Like, there's barely any filler on that. You can see it, like, you can still see the metal coming through. Very tiny bit of metal. See, that's metal all here. It looks like filler, but it's actually the metal, as you can see. So yeah, it looks really good. Petrol cap fits absolutely perfect. Caps are great. So yeah, that's I jumped off the Mini for a few minutes and I just came over and gave it a sweep out and cleaned up all the sound deadening that was in the car. It's all this stuff here. It's fairly thick stuff, and it's heavy, like glass as well. It literally breaks in pieces. But it's brittle. It's been in the car since new, so that's pretty much that. So I'm gonna get back onto the Mini now in a few minutes. I'm just gonna rest my hands. They're numb from the vibration. So yeah, guys, that's just a quick update on the EG6 as well. Like, it's getting there. It's gonna be, he said, hopefully by Friday it's gonna be primed and ready for paint. So yeah, good. Right guys, back to the Mini. Now guys, while that compressor fills up in the back, I am going to point out a few things that I do want to fix. When we cut out for the alternator, yeah, messy. So I'm actually going to cut this better. I'm actually going to cut it from here, and I'm going to cut it around, all the way around, and then I'm going to get a bar for the underneath, and I'm going to bring it all the way around, and then I'm going to weld it on to keep it strong, because it is a bit, it's not that flimsy. Like, it's hard to move, but it's these bits that are very flimsy and flexible. But other than that, there's a few other bits over here that I want to fix. I want to cut this full lip off, and when it gets painted I'm going to put a bead on it, like a rubber bead along there. Like, it's never, the rad never moves that much. Like, that's as far as it goes there. But I will be getting a new rad anyway. This one's had a hole in it for a while. But other than that, I'm going to get all this sanded down with 80 grit and then 400 grit, and I'll do the 600 grit another day, probably maybe tomorrow when I come back down. So I just want to get the full front end of this done tonight, and then I'm going to move on to the EG6 and get the inner doors done for my brother, because he's going to be doing the welding, so I have to do something for him, make it worth his while. So yeah guys, I'm going to finish this off with the 600 grit and then the 400 grit, and then I'll move on to the Civic. Peace. Right guys, I'm going to call it a night there. Got a bit done, got the front end of the Mini done. It's all set. Just need to do it with the 600 grit, just get it ready for primer, and then I'll do the rest of the body tomorrow. So I'm gonna just upload a short video for tonight, bit of content for you to watch, and then I will upload another video either tomorrow or the next day, just to get the ground of the Mini done, and keep an update on the EG6 as well. So that will be probably primed by Friday, so I will get time lapse of that getting primed, well prepped and primed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the video now, guys, and I'll be back down tomorrow to work on the Mini and the Civic. My brother will be down as well. He'll be working on the Civic as well because he really wants to get it primed before the weekend. So then hopefully next week I'll have a few days off work. We'll get down, block it down with the, I think he's going to do it with 600 or 800 after it's primed. Block it down, get it smooth, bring it outside, power wash it, bring it back inside, mask up the garage, push the Mini outside and spray it. So yeah, here's the hope and all goes to plan. Yeah guys, thanks for watching as usual. Please subscribe, like the videos and share with your friends. Facebook, Instagram, give me a PM, hit me up, say hello. It's all good guys, I always reply. I reply to everyone. It's good feedback, good to get to know everyone as well. I'm getting used to it, getting a bit better in the videos, hopefully for you guys as well, good for the content. And yeah guys, peace out, see you tomorrow, see you in the next video, peace.